Hello guys, Wesley here. So today we're going to look at something new here. We're going to use AI to generate a complete website in WordPress. And the tool that we're going to use is something that is called Zip WP, which simply means Zip and WordPress. So these are, it is on the alpha stage, it has just been released. It's still under trial, but it is something that can generate you a complete website, which you can then customize the way you want. So for you to be able to use these, you need to create an account, and this is the link that you use to access the site, which is app.zipwp.com. So once you go to that page, you'll be taken to this login or registration page. So if you don't have an account, you'll have to create an account here. You can see we have the sign up, which is for free. Or you can simply log in with your Google account. If you've already created an account, you can log in with your email and password. So in my case here, I've already done these steps, and this is what you get once you create your account and you log into the system. This is what you get. So this is the dashboard here. Now, some things to note here using the free version, because they have several packages that you can choose from. So for my case here, I'm using the free plan here, but they have other plans which you will see when you are going through the registration process. So on the free plan, you get a limited services. For example, here you'll be able to generate only 3 sites, and you'll have a disk storage limit of 1 GB. And yeah, the sites that you create here, you need to migrate them within 24 hours. So if you don't do that within the first 24 hours, then your site will automatically be deleted from their servers, and you'll have to redo that from scratch again. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, something simple, something easy. Can see the free plan here, what you have, a few things here. Okay, so now let's get this thing started, and let's create our first website. And the good thing or the interesting thing is that this AI tool generates for you a complete WordPress site within less than 2 minutes. And I mean that, less than 2 minutes. So we will see that. So let's get started. So you can click from the navigation panel here on the left. You can click the create new, or you have the create new button on the top left, top right corner here. So let's click on that. Then it will give you this option: blank website or complete website. Now it's up to you. In this case, I don't want to do this thing blank from scratch, so I'll just click on the complete website here. It will ask me a few things here. So what is my WordPress? What is my site for? Okay, now if you don't see what you're looking for here, you can just click on others. Then you choose your language here. So you have several languages here. You choose the one that you want your site to be in. In my case here, English is okay. We do continue. So enter the site name here, and I had done this. I had gotten the name, which I don't remember. So I'll just paste here, and it is here, Vitality Zone. So this is the name that I want to use. Uh-huh. So there we are. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a website for a gym. I'm starting a gym, and I want to get a website, and for that gym. So my gym will be called the Vitality Zone, as you can see here. So that's the name of my site. So click on continue. Then here they will ask you what is your, to give further details about your gym. And you can see here, please be descriptive as you can. Share details such as services, product, goals, and etc. So in my case here, I already have those done. So I'll place that, and you can see I have a detailed description here about my gym. I have the welcome message. I have the services that we offer, and so on. So you can use AI here to improve your content. If you click on it, you can see that AI is taking over. So AI will go through your content, and you can see the AI has summarized the content that we gave it, and it has given us this content here. Well, nice content, but I think I'll stick to my content. So I'll paste my content back. Then if you're happy with that, just click on continue. Okay, so there we are. So as you can see now, the AI is suggesting some images. The system is suggesting some images that you can use for your website here. So all these images are selected. If you don't like any of them, you can just click to remove. So this one looks okay. This one. So just go through the photos and eliminate the ones that you don't like. In my case here, don't think I'll remove any photos, so I'm okay with those 18 images that the system has selected for me. So we'll continue. So the bad thing is that on these images, you cannot be able to add yours here. You have to use these template images here. Then when you start customizing now, you can replace these images with your own. So in my case here, okay with that, we can continue. Alternatively, you can skip this step if you don't want to use the images. But I want the images so that the website looks complete. So I'll click on continue. Sorry. And there we are. So it is asking for details about my the contact details about my website here. So in my case here, let me just use something that I already have. I have this email address and I have a phone number there and my account is there. Then social media. So if you click here, you can add the social media pages that you want. So you just put your link to your social medias here as much as you want them. Okay, so for dummy data, so facebook.com/. Okay, there we are. And you can add another one, Instagram slash. All right, there we are. So you can add as many as you want the social icons. So in my case here, those two are okay. So we continue here. Okay, so the next thing now here is we are going to get some layouts that we need to choose for our website here. So you can see the layouts that we are getting here. So you just need to scroll through them and you choose one that you feel will represent your brand. So, okay, so they have given us only three. Okay, okay, oh, they are more loading. Okay, only three. Now let me see. That one. Okay, what about this one? Okay, so it's up to you to check the one that you feel represents your brand well. I'm torn between the first and this one, so let me go with this one. So I'll select this one and click on continue here. So congratulations, you're almost done. So you need to confirm your business name is here, the business description, the contact details are here, and now we need to start building the website. I remember I told you this thing does the building of the website within less than 2 minutes. Now, when I click the start building button here, is the time that you check the timer and confirm if we actually do this under less than 2 minutes. So let's start building. So there we are. So the AI is doing whatever it's doing here, and you can see the percentage here. So hope you clicked on the start of your timer so that you see if it will take less than 2 minutes. We are at 45%. I'm sure you've not even finished 1 minute. Yes, continue. So hope your timers are counting. 70%, 90. Okay. What's the time by your timers? Are we hitting the 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes? Taking its sweet time, finalizing things here and there. And there we are, 100%. Now, let me know on the comments how long it took to complete that website. In my case, I'm sure it is less than 2 minutes. And there we have the login details to our website. So you can copy these credentials here, but this thing will be sent to your email, the one that you used to create the account. So never worry. And this is the URL to view our website. So just open that in a new tab. Let's see. So this website is temporary. So just type here. Okay, we know it is temporary, and there we are. There is our website. Amazing. Look at that. And there is the email telling us that our website is ready. So close that. We don't need it now. And if you scroll, check that. Aha, check that. That's a complete website. We have the hero section here. We have the about section here. We have our values here, which we didn't even include, but the AI did that for us. We have our call to action here. Why should you choose us? Look at this. Look at this. Testimonials, what our clients are talking about. We have another CTA here, and we have our footer here. Perfect. Back to the top, we have the about page. From that, you can see complete page. Look at that. And these, the details in this page here, all are picked from the detail that we gave the AI, or the description that we gave the AI when we were creating our website. Check that. That is the about page offering here, which I think are services. Check that. Personal trainings with nice images there. Group fitness. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. Let's go to the contact. Check that. A complete contact page here. Perfect. And we have our contact here, the one that we gave out. You can see the address, you can see the phone, and we can see the email. Now you can customize all these things, don't worry. Let's try this button, join now. So it just takes you back to the contact page. Now let's go back here and we see a few things now here. Let's click on the customize website here and we see what we get. Okay, there we are. So from the customize here, generally what you get is just a few details here. For example, the logo, if you want to change the logo, you can change it from here and you drag an image and put it here as a logo. So in my case here, I haven't created a logo yet, so I'll skip that part here. Then show title, this is the title that you are seeing here. So if I turn it off, you can see. So when you put your logo here, you can turn off this title. So I don't have a logo, so I think I'll work with these to act as my logo. Then we have the font colors here. This is the default that you're using. But if I switch, watch what happens here. So you can customize these according to the colors that you like. Now, don't know which color is nice. They have nice blend of mixtures here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Anyway, I'm confused. To make matters easy, let's stick with the default or easy. Then you have the font options here. And if you're happy with the customization here, I will just click on save to save those customization changes. And now you can see once you click save, your website launches. But the good thing is here, you know that this is a complete website, a WordPress website. You can see it from top here. So you can go back to the WordPress dashboard and customize this thing as you want. So let's see that. So hover over the title here, go to dashboard. And there we are. So easy. Here we are on our usual WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, the theme that is being used is the Astra theme. And we have something called Spectra, which is their block editor, which they're using to build the website. And the plugins that they have, you can see they're only using two plugins, which is the Spectra and SVG, which makes it interesting because remember that if you have a lot of plugins in your website, generally you're affecting the performance, the load speed, and so on. So with just few plugins, it means that your website is quite fast and responsive. So the pages here, you can see our pages here, the front and whatever. So let's check this out. Open it. want to edit this. So I'm launching it in a new tab. See if we can be able to edit. Now you can fully change. You can see it is using the WordPress block editor, which if you've used WordPress, you are very familiar with it. And you can see the home section here. Okay, so you can see this, you can click on it and you can change whatever you want. You can see once you click on it on the left here, on the right, sorry, you get the details of the item that you've selected here. So for example, the layout now it is full width. You can change it to box and you'll see how it changes. So full width covers the whole thing here. You have the styles here. You can see the images here. Now you can change it how you want. You can remove it from here, get a new image, and this is the position of how you want your image to appear on different screens, advanced here, so on. So let's see, for example, let's see now, let's start the editing. You see, so I've clicked on this section here. I want to edit this section and you can see what I have here. So enable icon, if I click on that, see what happens. You can see an icon at the top here, so I don't want that. The call to action here, we have this button here. It's a button saying join now. So you want to see where it is going to. You can see the link, it is pointing to contact. So you can change this link to point to whatever page that you have created. For example, if you have a registration page, you can change this link from here to point to the registration page so that when someone clicks on it, it takes them to the registration page. Okay, perfect. So let's scroll down and do some serious editing. Now, for example, this one, if you just want to edit, just click on it and your cursor will be there. If you want to remove this, just remove and add other things that you want. So just as easy as that. The normal way you edit, if you want to change this, simply the same. Just click on it and your cursor will be there and you change whatever you want. So supportive, as you can see, just like editing a Word document. So it's as easy as that, and you make your updates. And go back to your pages. There you are. Now let's see. Let's see the contact page because you want to change something here. Launch the contact page. Yeah. Okay. So I'll click on this. I want to add the full details. Address. Here again, phone. Just click and you do what you do best. Just type in email. There we are. Okay. Now let's see our contact form here. If you click on it again, you'll get the details on this section here. So let's see our button here. So they're using Spectra forms. So the message is here when the form is submitted. This is the message that you get, successful. So the submit button here, you can edit it if you want it at the center of that. Then what I'm interested in here is the action, where the email is going. You can see the email that you gave, that is where they are sending the message to. And you can enable Google reCAPTCHA here just to check if someone is a bot or an AI is trying to send you emails anyway. I don't know how that works. We created the website with AI. So in future, AIs will be able to fill those captures, I think. Okay, so there we are. So the good thing is, see, we've eliminated the use of several plugins. For example, here we would have used contact form 7 maybe, or WP forms to be able to integrate this contact form. But the AI comes with Spectra page builder, which already comes with its own contact form. So update that, and I think that is it for today. You can see that you've created a simple website within. Okay, this is not a simple website. It looks like a really nice website which you would pay someone to do for you. They will charge you a nice amount to come up with something like this, which you've created within less than 2 minutes using app.ai. zapwp.com for less than okay, we use the free option, so it is free, and we did this under 2 minutes. So let me know what you think. And remember, I told you that your website stays in the zipwp.com for 24 hours. So within, after you've done your customization, within or before the 24 hours elapse, you need to back up your website and migrate it to your hosting of your choice. If you don't know how to migrate your website, back up and migrate your website, just let me know in the comment section, then I can do a video of how to back up and migrate your website to a new host. Otherwise, hope you enjoy this content, and kindly, if you enjoy this content, to enable me make more content, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends, and this is what motivates me to make more content like this. Otherwise, I'm out. Until the next one, peace.